Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm really excited. I finally got my hands on a PS5. I've been trying to get one since November and finally luck was on my side, so we're going to be unboxing this today. Thank you for having patience. I haven't been posting as much as I planned to and put as much content out as I wanted to. I'm in the works for doing even more coming up here pretty soon. I've been a little busy. But also I have a big project coming up in the next week and I hope you guys really enjoy that. That's going to be a fun little project on my part. So let's just get into this video. I'm super excited. This is a knife that I'm using this time. I don't have an official boxing knife yet, but this is from ProTech. I don't remember the exact model of it, but it's going to be the knife I'm going to be using for this unboxing. So the PS5, in case you don't know, is the latest PS5 or PlayStation from Sony, and it's been really hard to get your hands on lately. I used to have a PlayStation 4, and I've been a PlayStation boy most of my life. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on this next console. Wonderful. So yeah, and I've seen videos on this. Of course, I've been looking into the reasons why I got this. It's actually kind of a brand new console and everything. So there's a lot of features I'm excited about. We have the power cables, the first thing I found, and all the paperwork for it. So that's just right there. Over here we've got the new controller, which I'll show in a later video. It's a little bit more gray than it looks on all of the different pictures and stuff that you see online. I'm really actually digging this look. I think it looks great. And it's supposed to be bigger than the older generation, which I will show in a future video as well, comparing it and going in a bit more detail once I have games and stuff for it. So this is the new controller. I really like it. It's really nice to hold. I've always preferred them to Xbox controllers. That's my personal opinion. I'm not big on Xbox as well, but again, personal preference. Moving past that, there is so we have the new Hdmi cable, which is Hdmi 2.1. This will allow me to do 4K 120, so 4K for the resolution and 120 Hertz, which is important for gaming. It gives you faster refresh rate and everything, makes things look a little bit smoother. It's important if you're more of a hardcore gamer, less of a casual. And then in here, we've got the base station. The PS5 sits on this in two different directions. I think I'm going to be laying mine down horizontally for my current setup. I may change that later on in the future, but for now, I'll be doing it in the horizontal position. I think it looks a little bit cooler too. Move that out of the way. And then next should be the big boy, which it's heavy and it's a lot bigger than it looks. Okay, so get this stuff out of the way here. That's an empty box. And then take that off, and unwrap it. Alright guys, if this is your first look at the PS5, I'm as excited as you are to actually be holding it. This is an enormous console. Like you can see on my torso, it's basically the same size. This is a lot bigger than the Xbox Series X from what I've seen, and if I could bring out my my PC right now, sorry, it's about the same height. So this is a really massive console. A lot of that has to do with the thermal design and everything that they've done to make this as powerful as possible without constricting any of the thermal properties to it and just making it run as a smoother console altogether. So I'll go over the ports real quickly. This is the disc version, so it's the more expensive version. It has a Blu-ray player that does 4K Ultra HD. Again, the higher resolution. This has a USB-C port. You've got your power and your eject, and a USB port up front, standard USB. And on the back here, we've got your power, HDMI, Ethernet, and two more ports back here that are USB, as well as a Kensington lock. Thank you for watching, guys. I have more content coming, I promise, and this will be a fun little experiment and projects going on, so thank you very much. Catch you on the next one.